The S&P 500 is down 1.24% today, currently trading at $7,408. But one stock is stealing the show with a 22.9% gain, SEDG. The macro outlook is mixed, with the S&P 500 down 1.24% today, currently trading at $7,408, and the VIX up 6.78% to 18.4. This increase in the VIX indicates that investors are becoming more risk-averse, which could be a sign of volatility to come. The yield curve is not explicitly mentioned, but the upcoming FOMC Fed meeting in 4 days is expected to have a medium impact on the market, with higher rates potentially leading to higher discount rates and lower equity valuations, especially for growth stocks. The current price of Bitcoin is $76,980, down 0.56%, and gold is trading at $4,543, down 0.41%. These cross-asset signals will be explored in more detail later. Let's take a closer look at SEDG, the top gainer of the day. SEDG is up 22.9%, currently trading at $61.76, with a weekly gain of 47.79%. This significant price move can be attributed to the company's strong revenue growth, with a year-over-year increase of 41.5%. The analyst consensus is to sell, with only 2.9% of analysts bullish, but the company has a strong earnings track record, beating expectations in 3 out of 4 quarters. The last quarter surprise was a negative 50.1%, which may have contributed to the bearish sentiment. However, the options market is neutral, with a put-call ratio of 0.87, indicating balanced options flow and no strong directional signal. In comparison to its peers, SEDG is outperforming, and investors should watch for the upcoming FOMC Fed meeting, which could impact the stock's valuation. The second top gainer of the day is FIG, up 13.2%, currently trading at $22.92. FIG has a strong earnings track record, beating expectations in all 4 quarters, with a last quarter surprise of plus 55.8%. The analyst consensus is to hold, with 35.3% of analysts bullish, and the options market is bullish, with a put-call ratio of 0.29. This call dominance suggests bullish institutional positioning, which could be a sign of further upside potential. In comparison to its peers, FIG is outperforming, and investors should watch for the upcoming FOMC Fed meeting, which could impact the stock's valuation. The company's revenue growth is also impressive, with a year-over-year increase of 46.1%. The cross-asset signals are mixed, with Bitcoin down 0.56% to $76,980 and gold down 0.41% to $4,543. These moves suggest that investors are becoming more risk-averse, seeking safe haven assets. The bullish options market for FIG, with a put-call ratio of 0.29, suggests that institutional investors are positioning themselves for further upside potential. For the next 5 sessions, investors should watch for the upcoming FOMC Fed meeting, which could impact the valuations of growth stocks like SEDG and FIG. A potential trade could be to buy calls on FIG, given the bullish options market and strong earnings track record. Investors should also watch for any changes in the analyst consensus, as a shift toward a more bullish sentiment could lead to further upside potential. Additionally, investors should monitor the options market for SEDG, as any changes in the put-call ratio could indicate a shift in institutional positioning. In conclusion, today's market has been marked by significant gains in SEDG and FIG, despite the overall market being down. The upcoming FOMC Fed meeting is expected to have a medium impact on the market, and investors should watch for any changes in the valuations of growth stocks. With the right strategy and a keen eye on the market, investors can navigate these complex market conditions and make informed investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.